Hey guys, my name's Serena and I'm with Fixated Real Estate. We're a high volume fix and flip and burn investors here in the Pacific Northwest, and we love working with Heaton Dainard. As a project manager and interior designer for Fixated Real Estate, I usually don't see our projects until we purchase them. And so one of the reasons why I love Heaton Dainard is that when my team comes to me with a property from them, I already know that they've done so much legwork that I don't have to do. They've already figured out a preliminary budget and scope of work for me. If I need help with finished details, they have it right there with their experienced team. Always brings and creates a full package for the investor, making sure that I have confidence all the way through that I'm going to maximize the value for our deal. Second reason why I love Heaton Dainard is whether or not you're a beginner investor or an experienced investor, they provide you so much support and in so many different ways. So when we were a beginner, like several years ago, at least for me, I could reach out to their experienced team anytime with ideas of finishes, contacts we needed for contractors, and when we got in a really big bind, even now after hundreds of homes, we still get in binds. Heaton Dainard provides that support that we need to figure out still how to get the max out of our deal. Third reason why I love them is they're agents. Their agents are investor friendly. I'm an agent myself. I know what it's like to work with investors, and they bring it. Their team is so experienced, and I know that when we list our property with them, I have full confidence. Even as an agent myself, I love listing our properties through Heaton Dainard because they will get the most price for your deal. So again, I love Heaton Dainard. Thank you guys, and I can't wait to do more deals with you in the future.